All right, good morning. Welcome back. I just woke up, no coffee yet, but I wanted to share two excellent opposing comments, family friendly, on the use of Chromebooks. So let's take a look. All right, this is from Fabio GC31. Hello. He says, no wonder Linus Torvalds expressed himself at one point that if Linux gets to be a major desktop OS, the same way it does on servers, it would be through Chrome OS, Chrome OS Flex. And it may be true. I have been using it for more than a year now in two different uncertified machines. And let me tell you, you are right, sir. They never performed as well before running MS-10 Pro. No hiccups, no bad surprises, no hassle, no viruses. And to top it all, it's free. It's free to download the system. Of course, Chromebooks are not free. Anyway, he says, and to top it all, it's free for personal use, of course. I decided to spread the news and get in the same wagon my parents' computers. My parents' computers before this, I received around 3 times a week calls from them asking for some help with OS-related issues. Now, I get calls only to know if I'm okay. As you said yourself, try it. You won't be disappointed. Oh, that is so sweet. Now they call you to make sure you're okay and not for help. It's amazing that Linux solved this problem. Anyway, thank you for the comment. I've been using Linux since 2006. Chromebooks are the only machines that I've never had to fix anything. Chromebooks are the only machines where I haven't found any bugs. Now, they probably are in there somewhere, but they didn't affect my usage on the machine, and that is amazing. So, Fabio, I'm happy that you are closer to your family using Chrome OS Flex. I think it's terrific. So, yeah, I know I'm right. Anyway, let's move on to the next comment. All right, this is from Hawk1291. Hey there. He says, Android is more Linux than Chrome OS, dude, and than Chrome OS, I guess, period, dude. And that's not saying much. I know that technically Chrome OS is Linux, but as someone who switched from Linux to Chrome OS 10 years ago and then to Linux 5 years ago, there is absolutely zero comparison between the two. They are two entirely different systems, and they oppose each other at fundamental levels, and I don't just mean in a false evangelical sense. The one and only way that Chrome OS helps Linux is that it sometimes boosts numbers for Linux when lazy degrees of analytics are used to call Chrome OS Linux is technical at best and deceptive at worst. That's not to say they don't serve a huge market. They are amazingly capable and useful machines. But I think we have different ideas of what Linux means. Anyways, I'm sure that Reed's really angry or something, but I honestly really enjoy your vids. Keep on being TOS. TOS is in Total OS. Thank you, Hawk1291. Well, there's a couple of things going on here. I agree that there is no comparison between Chrome OS or Chromebooks and Linux in general, but it's the opposite. Again, Chromebooks are the only machines, Linux-powered machines, there where I've never had to fix anything. I've been using Linux since 2006, as I said, and I've always had to fix a bug here, something here, there, and there. And that was fine. I'm grateful for that because I learned a lot about Linux. I have no problem with that. But Chromebooks in general, so far, with 2 of them, the only Linux-powered machines where I had no bugs. Again, they're probably in there somewhere, but they didn't affect the usage, my usage on using these Chromebooks. So for me, they are two diametrically different types of systems in terms of Linux in general, Linux operating systems and Chromebooks. But to me, they don't come close. Chromebooks are the Linux gold standard when it comes to a Linux-powered machine. Now, as far as what is Linux, as far as the philosophical aspects of Linux and the fundamentals, that is a valid point, 100%, I agree. But I think in these post-pandemic times for me, and really even before the pandemic, My philosophy has been, what can I do? What can I say or do to improve the quality of my life? So if I say to you, Chromebooks have improved the quality of my life because I did not have to spend time fixing a problem. The last Ubuntu download I tried, I had no sound. I did everything I knew possible with my experience to try and fix it, even reinstalling a fresh install of Ubuntu. Still no sound. That was the end of Ubuntu for me. Again, strictly for me. So Chromebooks improve the quality of my life because I don't have to spend time fixing bugs, which gives me more time to do things I enjoy, such as talking to you. Thank you for both of these comments. I do read all of your comments. I may not respond to all of them, but this is an example of the Linux community at its excellent best, and I'm grateful for that. So thank you. If you have any more comments about Chromebooks or Chrome OS Flex, post them in the comments below. These were so fun to read that I couldn't wait to have my coffee. I had to read these now because even though they are opposing views, they are both excellent comments. Anyway, enjoy whatever you use, even if it's Windows 11. I like Windows 11. I installed Windows 11 on a machine from 2011. I can't believe that Windows 11 is lightweight.